Namaste, Shree Matre Namaha. We all know that the auspicious occasion of Navratri is going to start from the 3rd of October, and here I am offering you some very special blessings on this upcoming Navratri. I am Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and I am a Shri Vidya Upasak and a Shakti Upasak. So I work deeply with Mother Kamakhya, and in this Navratri I want to bring to you a constellation of offerings related to the goddess Kamakhya, where I will be doing a set of pujas for your prayer requests for all the 9 days of Navratri, including the Dasmi, the 10th day also, which is the Shera. There will be a homam on the culmination day and 9 days of Kamakhya Puja during this time period. And if you wish to send in your prayer requests for me to do the pujas on your behalf, you're most welcome for that. Other than this, other than the pujas, I would like to offer my humble service of helping you learn Kamakhya Tantra Sadhna. So there is a detailed process which is offered one-on-one as a Diksha, in which the deepest secrets of Mother Kamakhya, along with her sadhana system, the various mantras, the Kamakhya Kavach, the Stotram, everything is taught and handheld through a one-on-one process. So you're most welcome to learn this wonderful upasana during this Kamakhya Navratri period that we're going to have. And there are other offerings also that you can make use of. So I have devised some tools which help us in connecting to the Mother Goddess. This is the Kamakhya Yantra. This is a specially curated copper yantra, 7 inches, and you can use this yantra to place at your altars and do your Kamakhya Pujas. Other than this, there is a whole Kamakhya Saadhna Kit that you can make use of, which includes this yantram, and there is this red carnelian Japamala of 109 beads, which you can use to do your Kamakhya Mantra japas. And the third thing in this kit is basically the Kamakhya Sindoor, which is considered to be very auspicious and a prasadam that one receives with the due grace of the Mother. So other than this, I had a channeling of a design for Kamakhya Yoni Pitham, which is there at my altar, and this is made out of pure Panchloha, and these are crafted in handcrafted, and each Yoni Pitham can actually be consecrated through a proper puja process through me, and you can receive these Yoni Pithams for your altar to be able to connect to Mother and to be able to do the rituals to her. So this is going to be an auspicious time for me, and also to deepen my own sadhana and service to you. I bring to you all these gifts which the Mother herself wants through me. So make use of this and have a very blissful and sacred time of deepening your sadhana. This Navratri comes once in a year, which is very, very auspicious. It is a preview to Deepavali, which is going to come, many more festivals, occasions of celebration, but more so an opportunity to connect to the Shakti energies. Thank you very much. Shri Matre Namah.